What if I told you that everything you thought baking soda was for barely scratches the surface? And what if combining it with just one natural oil held the key to reducing joint pain, fading scars, and even treating nail fungus, all from the comfort of your home? This isn't another DIY myth or internet trend. It's a time-honored remedy used by ancient healers, and now backed by modern medical insights, with results that science is just beginning to understand. Hi, I'm Dr. Samra, and after 15 years of researching traditional medicine and natural protocols, I'm going to show you exactly how this simple mixture works, why it works, and how to use it safely to target everything from skin tags to arthritis. So before you scroll or skip, let me ask you this. What if the solution you've been searching for has been sitting in your kitchen all along? Emerging research and clinical observations also suggest a promising connection between castor oil use and men's sexual health, particularly in the areas of blood flow, hormonal balance, and tissue repair. Castor oil contains compounds, most notably ricinoleic acid, which have been shown to support lymphatic drainage and increase circulation when applied topically. Improved circulation in the pelvic region is critical in supporting natural, healthy erectile function. After all, stronger erections are the result of proper blood flow. Additionally, applying castor oil packs over the lower abdomen has been traditionally used to support the health of reproductive organs due to its anti-inflammatory properties. When paired with baking soda, which helps neutralize surface toxins and improve skin permeability, the mixture may provide additional benefits through better absorption and detoxification. While not a substitute for medical treatment, this natural approach has been explored by many in men's wellness communities as a supportive practice to enhance vitality and performance naturally. And what if I told you that by the end of this video, you'll walk away with 7 powerful, proven applications, plus a bonus detox tip you can try immediately? Stick around, because the 7th remedy might just be the one thing your body has been quietly crying out for. Let's reveal what the pharmaceutical industry won't and take your first step toward natural healing, backed by real science. So, why is this mixture so effective? The synergy here lies in specific molecular actions. Castor oil isn't just any oil. Its therapeutic properties stem primarily from its rich concentration of ricinoleic acid, a rare monounsaturated fatty acid that comprises nearly 90% of the oil. Numerous peer-reviewed studies have shown that ricinoleic acid can bind to EP3 prostaglandin receptors, which are directly involved in regulating pain perception and inflammatory responses. What this means is profound. This compound doesn't simply mask discomfort. It interacts with your body at a cellular level to reduce the mediators linked to inflammation. This is why castor oil has emerged in both integrative and conventional clinics as a supportive option for patients suffering from conditions like osteoarthritis, rheumatoid discomfort, and even minor skin wounds. Now, imagine enhancing that anti-inflammatory response with a catalyst, sodium bicarbonate, commonly known as baking soda. Its role is critical, yet often understated. First, it's mildly alkaline, which subtly shifts the pH on the skin's surface, often helping to improve transdermal absorption, allowing ricinoleic acid to penetrate more effectively. Secondly, its granular texture serves as a natural exfoliant, removing accumulated dead skin and unclogging pores. This creates a clear path for nutrients to reach deeper tissue layers. So when we talk about this being more than the sum of its parts, we mean it. This mixture behaves like a biochemical delivery system, opening the door for better healing outcomes. Now, let's talk formulation. Quality is non-negotiable. Always opt for organic, cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil to preserve its therapeutic potential. And before applying to a larger area of the body, conduct a 24-hour patch test. Apply a small amount to your inner wrist to check for any allergic response. The formula is simple, a blend of 2 parts castor oil to 1 part baking soda. Mix until you achieve a smooth, uniform paste, similar in consistency to a thick lotion or toothpaste. Store it in a sterile glass jar and keep it in a cool, dark place. The shelf life, if stored properly, is excellent for short to mid-term use. You now have what I'd call a cosmeceutical-grade healing paste. Let me guide you through the most impactful ways to use it. First, hyperpigmentation and age spots. Apply a thin layer directly to the affected area nightly. Over time, the exfoliating effect of baking soda, combined with the regenerative properties of castor oil, including its high vitamin E content and enhancement of dermal microcirculation, can help fade age-related discoloration and support smoother skin tone. Second, scar remodeling. Both recent and long-standing scars may benefit. Gently massage the formula into the scar for 2 to 3 minutes every night. The goal is tissue remodeling, where the combination stimulates fibroblastic activity and softens dense scar tissue. Consistency here is crucial. Allow at least 2 to 4 weeks for visible improvement. Third, joint discomfort, including arthritis. For inflamed joints, whether it's stiffness in knuckles or persistent discomfort in the knees, apply a generous layer and then wrap the area with food-safe wrap. Place a moderate heat source, such as a warm water bottle, over the area for 15 to 20 minutes. Studies confirm that heat increases capillary permeability, enhancing transdermal absorption and accelerating anti-inflammatory effects. Fourth, skin tags and sebaceous cysts. Apply a dab of the paste to the skin tag or cyst. Cover with a breathable adhesive bandage and replace daily. Anecdotal records and certain dermatology case reports suggest castor oil's lipophilic action helps shrink benign skin growths over time. Next, fungal toenail infections. Particularly effective due to both castor oil's undesolenic acid content and baking soda's antifungal profile. Massage into clean, dry nails at night, ensuring it reaches the nail bed. Commit to a few weeks. Fungal infections are notoriously resistant and slow to respond. Then, cracked heels and calluses, apply a generous amount before bed. Slip on a pair of breathable cotton socks. In the morning, you'll likely notice a visible difference in skin hydration and texture. The oil softens keratin overgrowths, while the baking soda loosens dead skin for easy exfoliation. And finally, under-eye puffiness. This requires great caution. Apply less than a grain of rice worth of the mixture under the eyes, never into the eye itself. Leave for 10 minutes and gently wipe away with a warm, damp cotton pad. While not for daily use in this sensitive area, periodic treatment can reduce fluid retention and support the lymphatic drainage of the under-eye tissue. This is one of my favorite demonstrations, a simple method that offers dramatic, visible proof in under 10 minutes. Massage the paste into each nail and surrounding cuticle. Allow it to absorb while the baking soda lifts away dead skin and the castor oil nourishes deeply with fatty acids and vitamin E. After 10 minutes, wipe clean using a warm cloth and gently push back your cuticles. The natural luster and smoothness you'll notice isn't cosmetic, it's biological regeneration in action. It's an elegant example of how powerful simple interventions can be when informed by science. This isn't about chasing quick fixes. This is about empowering your body with tools that are both time-honored and evidence-backed. Healing, whether it's internal or external, is often incremental, and that's okay. My professional recommendation? Start small. Use the 10-minute nail treatment tonight, not just to test the product, but to feel the results. Then, pick a chronic issue, an old joint injury or a scar, and commit to daily use for 2 weeks. Observe, track. Let the results guide you. And remember, these insights aren't new. Many of our ancestors, our grandparents, great-grandparents, had knowledge that science is finally validating. If you've heard of similar natural practices handed down through generations, I invite you to share those in the comments below. Your lived experience could provide someone else the missing link in their wellness journey. Thank you for spending your time here. Your health is not just important, it's foundational. Treat it with the care, respect, and attention it truly deserves, because when you heal, everything changes.